What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn and today in this video we're gonna talk about biotins, man. So what are biotins? How many biotins do you need? What kind of food contains high amount of biotins? And also, do you really need biotins supplements? So these are the type of questions that we're going to answer as we are on this video. Before you start taking biotins, I think you should watch this video and you continue with your choice, whether to take them or to just let them be. So let's start. What is biotins? So biotins, guys, are actually vitamin B7 or vitamin H. So biotins, guys, are responsible for healthier nails, hair, and also skin, especially if you do have a thinning hair problem. So because on this channel I'm focusing about beard and hair growth, so we're gonna talk about the effect or the benefit of biotin when it comes to hair. So there is no actual study that proves that biotins actually helps your hair to grow, but biotin actually helps your hair to be healthier. How? By strengthening the roots of your hair and also making your hair healthier so that it doesn't become brittle, so that it can grow longer. I guess biotin is one of those vitamins that is responsible for that. So do you really need to take biotin supplement? Before we come to that question, let's talk about how many biotins do you really need to consume a day. So it is said on the study, I will leave the link on the description, that an adult needs to take about 30 to 70 micrograms of biotins. Now micro, guys, it means that 10 to the power of -6 or 6 zeros before the number. So you really don't need that much of biotins daily. So there are food that contain high amount of biotins in them. One of them is egg yolk. Remember, only egg yolk. If you one of those people who eat raw egg, make sure that you only eat the egg yolk, because the egg white tend to prevent the biotin from the eggs. But if you do cook your eggs, then it's fine, you can eat your egg with your egg white. Another thing is organ meat. Organ meat is said to be high in biotin, liver and kidney. Another ones are nuts like almonds, walnuts, and peanut butter also as well can help you with biotin. Whole grains, cauliflower, mushroom, bananas, cheese, and also milk. So guys, there are many food that actually contain high amount of biotin. So these are the ones that I actually know at the moment. So do you really need supplements? Now that you know, how many biotins do you need a day? For me, I would say it depends on the diet. If you know that your diet is not that good, yes, you do need supplements. But again, I do not recommend that you take the biotin supplements. Rather, take the multivitamins, which contains enough biotin for daily consumption, or the supplements for hair, nail, and skin, because they also contain enough biotins for daily consumption. So the one that I use are the following supplements. The multivitamins. These multivitamins actually contains about 100 micrograms of biotins. This supplement also contains about 400 micrograms of biotins. As you can see, none of them are only biotins, but they are multivitamins, because other vitamins that we find on those supplements, they will help your hair to be healthier. So rather buy those supplements if you know that you don't have a great diet. So do biotin supplements actually helps your beard grow? I personally think that the supplements that I have, they do help my beard to grow. How? Because most of them, they have all these vitamins that will make my beard or my hair to be healthier. And now I do not shed so easily, guys. I hardly shed. My hair actually is stronger, and also it doesn't break, looks healthier. I recommend that you should take supplements that contain biotins. Now, you cannot overdose on biotins, guys. Biotins are actually water soluble vitamins. Basically, what it means is they cannot be stored in your body. If you have too much of biotin, your body tends to extract them via urine. So you can overdose. Just have enough biotin for daily consumption and continue with your diet. So I hope this information, guys, helps you to grow a beard. I am taking my supplement. I've stopped using minoxidil. As you can see, my beard, it is still growing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this information will help you before you take the biotin supplements, whether to take them or to use multivitamin or just to eat food that is high in biotins. Alright, if you find this information useful, please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Till next time, cheers.